So hello guys, and welcome back to Tibor's vlog. It's another beautiful day here in Norway, Bergen. It's actually a blue sky and like 10 degrees outside or something. So I think it's amazing weather today. This will make me smile even more than I used to do. So right now I got some gear that I borrowed from my parents to the Corona video, and now I'm going to pick up my old MacBook Pro at my parents' house, and then we're going to use a screen that Kim Mo's vlog have put with him. Hello, man.
Hello.
To use to produce music. So that is behind here, I think. I hope it is.
What?
The screen. There it is. Oh my God. So that's the thing, man. It's a beautiful day in Norway. Suddenly and finally, some good weather here in Bergen as well, man. Look at this weather. This would just make you smile all day.
Yeah.
Like 1 hour ago, 2 hours ago, these two guys have come. How far have you come in editing?
Very far.
In
No,
percentage?
65.
65%. 65%?
Yeah.
Fast workers. Yes, sir.
Very nice, very nice. So now just out chilling, taking a breathe and fresh air. And then Chaz is going to spit some words through it right now. The song is called Venom. Hey,
It's cold outside, I'm in the band.
hey.
I'm calling the phone like, what's your plan? Yeah. She wanna taste the venom. It's cold outside, I'm in the band. I'm calling the phone like, what's your plan? She said she busy, she can't hang no. Why you being hard? I got for Bentley for my mom. In the store, I swiped the card.
Hey.
I want you by my side, Flipping the paint, look at the dripping, I'm going insane. Way by dripping, I bought it for friends. Look at the bitch and I take her on dance. Digital dash, fuck up the system, I rockin' the Vans. Getting intense, blowing the purple, I'm blowing the gas. I pass it group and I lose my dripping again, so I'm dripping in water. That bitch, I can feel like she is a model. I want a gelato, I'm feeling the vibe. Mixing the purple with Sprite. In the jacuzzi, we feeling so nice. I just be ballin', I'm feeling so high. She want designer, she want it tonight. All in a minute, I tell her goodbye. Missing my jelly from me.
So now guys, just sitting here on a Chinese restaurant, eating some great food. I haven't eaten yet today, so right now I just have to eat. So just wanted to show you guys what I'm eating. Chaz sitting there, chilling.
What's up?
Mom sitting there, chilling. Thank you guys. Catch you up later. So that was the day for today, guys. It has been a fun day. The day has been going to spending time with the CEO, Chaz. He's been there all day. We have trying to set up the studio a little bit better with a new, not new, my old MacBook Pro. That is a very good PC. We're going to restart it all, and then the screen, because my dog stepped on the screen for like 3 years ago, so we haven't used it since then because the screen cracked. Then we're going to use the screen to fix like a monitor with the wire to my MacBook Pro, so we can use the MacBook as like a PC, like the driver. So we actually get a better PC, because up till this point we have used my girlfriend's MacBook Air, and FL, the program we are using to record and mix the music in, is a very huge software that takes a lot of capacity and takes a lot of space and everything. It's not fit for a MacBook Air. It's a very good and upgraded MacBook Pro, so I think it's going to do the thing, and then we're going to have a better setup to record and save and mix the music in. You know, we're going to use like a foam on the wall to make the sound better in the whole room, so you can't get like an echo in the room when you are recording. So that is a very important thing to remember. So we're going to put the foam up, and it's going to be very good to put the foam up, and then we're going to have everything set up and done, so we can actually record some bangers in there and put out the album still when we are in quarantine and the whole world is shutting down. So there's a lot of shit that's going on right now that is also fucking it up for us, but it's also a lot of opportunities, as I said in some earlier vlogs, that is opening up because of this. So we have to see the positive thing it is, and it also, but we're grinding. These boys are grinding harder than they've ever done in their life, and I think and I know it's going to pay off in the long run if we just keep up the momentum and put out as much work and content as we can. So tomorrow, guys, you can expect to see on this vlog that we're going to outside of Bergen, like in 40 to an hour, 40 minutes to an hour outside Bergen, and we're going to film in a big villa, as I mentioned earlier, and we're going to film the end of Dropout. As you saw in yesterday's vlog, we started the music video Dropout with Johnny Pepper, and we're going to finish that up in this villa, and also shoot some shoots for Valentino. That is the song to Young Chaz and Scarface. So you can expect, I know there's a lot of dates, a lot of names, and a lot of things that's happening, but I can update you right now that is on Sunday, Maradona, the song Maradona is dropping. As is also seen in this vlog, we have filmed earlier this week, and that video and song is dropping on Sunday, and then next Tuesday, in 6 days, the song Dropout, as we're going to film the rest of the music video tomorrow, is then going to drop on Tuesday from Johnny Pepper. So, and then we're just going to keep up the momentum, and as I said, always drop like Sunday and Tuesday every week, and have a new album for you with 10 new fresh songs every 70 days. So we're going to pump the market with new bangers every day, every week, and just keep up the wave and build the wave even bigger and bigger and bigger, and build a crowd and just grind and compete for the attention to the audience around the world. And show we're here, and you have no way other than looking at us and see what the fuck we're up to, man. So that's going to be the vlog talk for tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be a fun vlog. You're going to get some insights behind the scenes in the movie making, and yeah, stay tuned for that if you're enjoying the vlog. Again, guys, if you have stayed tuned until the end and looking at me right now, I fuck with you, dude, because that's sick, and I really appreciate it. So if you're also here right now and you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. We have a very small group subscribing, and we have a lot of more viewers than subscribers. So please consider subscribing and support my journey. It will actually mean the world to me, and show me that you guys are actually watching and want to watch me further. So please consider subscribing, and as always, guys, find your hustle, make your money, and do whatever the fuck you want to do in life, man. That's Tibor Vlog, man. Catch you guys tomorrow.